Galena, Illinois, a town that once produced 85% of the nation's lead and sent more Civil War generals to battle than anywhere outside West Point. Ulysses S. Grant himself walked these streets. And much of the 1800s charm you see today is preserved just as it was. If you want to soak in that history without missing a single landmark, there's one experience we can't recommend enough: the Galena Trolley Tour. This isn't just a ride, it's a moving history lesson wrapped in beautiful views, fun stories, and quirky facts you won't find in a guidebook. The guides bring Galena's past to life, sharing tales of riverboat days, elegant mansions, and the people who shaped this community. For Majestic Miles Travel, we've explored hundreds of small towns and written nearly 1,100 reviews across the country. And honestly, this one is a 5-star experience from start to finish. It's the perfect mix of history, charm, and the unexpected. Exactly what we love about small town travel. And yes, we even spotted some quirky treasures along the route. The kind of things that make Galena so unique and make us want to come back again and again. So if you're planning a visit to Galena, make the trolley your first stop. You'll laugh, you'll learn, and you'll see the town in a way you'll never forget. We're Majestic Miles Travel, and we believe you're never too old to travel, especially when the ride is this good.